Whenever a user comes to my website, I want to know how much they're scrolling, whether they are on a blog page, a service page, or any other page on my website. This helps me measure the engagement and the attention of my content. So in this video, I'll walk you through how I set up scroll depth tracking using Google Tag Manager and GA4. And let's get started. First, I go to the variables tab inside Google Tag Manager and I click on configure. And I make sure to enable all the scroll variables that I listed over there. Next, I create the trigger. So in the triggers tab, I click on new and name it something like scroll depth trigger. And for the trigger type, I chose scroll depth and set the vertical scroll depth to 10, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. And leave the horizontal unchecked. For firing option, select all pages and click on save. Next, I go to tags and I click on new. And I name it something simple such as scroll depth. And next, I click on Google Analytics GA4 events for the tag type. And in the settings, it asks for the measurement ID, which can be found in Google Analytics under the admin section, data streams. From there, I copy the measurement ID and I paste it. Next, I type in the event name. And I also add two parameters. And the first one is scroll depth, and we'll enable the variable scroll depth threshold. And the second one is page path. Next, I attach the trigger that we had created a few seconds ago, and I click on save. Now that the tag has been created, and right over here it shows the tag was created, I'm going to click on preview to test if the tag is working or not. It will open the Google Tag Assistant tab, and it will ask to input the website name, which I had already done. And I will scroll about 100% of the home page and check for the results. So this shows that I scrolled 100% of the home page. It shows it's working. Second, I will check the contact page and scroll only about 10% or 20% to see the results. Perfect. It also shows the data from the contact page was collected also. Next, I will head over to the Google Analytics side. Under the debug view, I will check to see if the tag is fired. And what I'm looking for is any activity that was going on regarding the tag that we made. And it clearly shows the tag was made and is firing. This proves the tag is working as is intended to be. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.